Hello again. Here on the tutorial, let's talk about HTML citations, quotients, and definition tags, as well as fonts. And let's see here. Yeah. Alright, it's probably not going to be a long video, anyways. Oh, also, I'll have videos on my games as well coming soon. I'll be getting this isn't my best PC, but it can handle games pretty well. It handles League of Legends, Sins of a Solar Empire, Warhammer Online, Wrath of Heroes. I haven't been able to play it. Team Fortress, it'll play, but it lags really bad. This is MSI motherboard that I have. It's got 3 gigs of RAM. It's got a AMD Athlon 2.2 gigahertz CPU and a 250 gigabyte hard drive. It's not much. I mean, it's just the basic computer. I have 4 computers. No, 5. Well, yeah. 2 laptops, 2 desktops. And I've got a working motherboard, but it needs parts. And I've got a scrap motherboard that I salvage, or a scrap computer that I salvage parts off of, such as stuff from the motherboard and other like fans and shit like that. Anyways, yeah, I'll be making videos on Battlefield 2, especially Need for Speed World. I can't get MW2 to work. Definitely League of Legends and Battlefield 2. I will be getting Bad Company 2, and on TeamSpeak I'm with a server I'm on a server with guys that play that a bunch, but I'll also be doing Battlefield 3 videos here pretty soon. Anyways, let's get to that. Okay, so oh shit, I shouldn't have X'd that out. Okay, HTML citations and quotation and definition tags, they're just tags. So ABBR abbreviation defines, of course, defines, and oh shit, defines an abbreviation. The acronym tag defines an acronym. The BDO, I believe that's what it's called. Is it? Yeah. Defines the text direction, which I think when it means text direction, it's like the way the text is written. So I mean, instead of starting from left to right, it probably writes from from right to left, like this way. You know what I mean? Almost like kind of switches which way is for like other languages. I believe that's what that's used for. Block quote. You've probably seen this in many web forums. This one defines a long quote. Q. Again, probably seen it in some forums because they might have used this. Defines a short quotation. Cite defines a citation, like reciting something, I believe. Oh, I need more room. Space, or enter. Okay. And DFN, whoops, forgot those angle brackets. You see, gotta learn how to use them angle brackets. Defines a definition. Did I spell that right? Oh damn. Term. So that's that. It's not gonna change the text in any way. Well, a little bit. Let's see. Defines a shortcut. Defines a long quote. Defines abbreviation. Blah blah blah. It's just tags that you use to when you're probably writing a paragraph. You're gonna add those tags in there when writing like a long paragraph or something. Yeah, they're useful. They're not probably used as much, but they're still pretty useful. Let's get on with those HTML fonts. So there's like a lot of fonts. You might want to like not memorize all of them, but keep like a good memory of what kind of fonts they have. The HTML font tag should not be used. The font tag is depreciated in HTML4 and removed from HTML5. The font tag is removed from the Worldwide Web Consortium. I think it's like has been they removed the font tag from its recommendations. In HTML4, style sheets like cascading style sheets (CSS) should be used to define the layout and display the properties for many like HTML elements. So the example, like I didn't even show fonts. The hell. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hold on. Oh, I was gonna show you an example. My bad. I be smoking too much crack. Okay, so we're gonna start off with a paragraph, maybe like a couple lines here. So basically we're gonna use font and then size, which is the attribute, and let's put it at like 5. That's a pretty good, decent amount. And face is the attribute that you will use to like, for example, do I have, yeah, I don't have shit. Well, you know what I mean, the little thing, that text box that comes down for in Word, how it has all those texts. Well, you can try those different fonts, I believe, like not all of them, but like some of them, and kind of like play around with this attribute to see what different fonts you can have. So let's do Arial. And color, you can even do the color attribute. Yeah, there it goes. Let's make it, well, let's see, purple. Purple's like a badass color. And just close the tag. Wait, yeah, close it. And then as you can see, it added that closing tag for me. So you type in between what you want. So basically you're telling the text editor or the browser, basically, hey, this is the font I want, this is the size I want, this is the type I want, and this is the color I want it. Kind of like ordering a Big Mac, no cheese, extra pickles, extra mayo, no mustard, and lots of ketchup. Kind of like that. That's how. Think of your browser being the McDonald's and you being the you typing this out, the customer. So it's similar like that. If I could, if that makes it easier to understand. So basically you'll type what's in between the these two brackets right here. So this is purple text using Arial font size 5. And you can see, let's, oh, we got it. Okay, we already have that. Okay, so I didn't need to do all that. And when we run it, you can see how it's a different font than whatever this is. If you, let's try another one. I think Tahoma is one of them. Let's try that. Oh. Hold on, I don't know, I don't know. Tahoma. I don't think that is one that works. Or Times New Roman, maybe? Times New Roman. Wonder where they get those font names from. Let's just run it like that. Yeah, so you can see the difference. That's Times New Roman. And then what else is there? Damn, I wish I knew fonts, but anyways, Arial. Okay, so let's run that, and you can see the difference between it. So I mean, not all fonts are gonna work, but you get the idea. So that's how that works. So let's try another one. Oh, Veranda or Verdana or something like that. I think that works. Let's try that. Let's give that one a try. So okay, again, you're gonna start the paragraph tag, and you want to do font, the tag, and then the value. I mean the attribute will be what is it? Size. Now I don't know if the attribute order really matters, but I've seen it done like this, and if I were you, I might follow the same concept of doing size, face, color. I've always seen color at the end of the starting tag before the angle bracket, or right next to the ending, or that angle bracket right there. I've seen it in a lot of stuff. But yeah, that kind of, concept, I don't think it does matter if you put face first or color first or whatever, but it might be a good idea to, follow what they do. Just because you want to be a good habit coder or programmer, try not to make so many bad habits. But I don't think that would happen anytime soon. But we all make mistakes. So let's do the color blue in this one, or let's do pink. Let's see if they have pink. Oh, what? They don't? Let me see if they just... Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. That sucks. Okay, let's just do red. Alright, now in the tag, and start typing. So this is red text using Verdana font and size 5. Let's run it and see how it works. Let's see, you see? Now it isn't that much different. Verdana, I don't think, well, I don't think it works because it looks similar to Arial. I don't know, I can't tell. No, it's different. The 5s are a lot different. This 5 has a little angle at that part, and this 5's like straight down. So yeah, this text works. I'm not really good. See, some, fonts look similar, so this one is a bit more. You can see the curve at the T is a lot longer than the curve at the T, and they're the same size. So if you're thinking size is playing a factor here, it's not. This looks bigger probably because it's red. But yeah, just about the E's look just about the same and stuff. This G is a bit more different than this one, so you can tell little differences. this A has a little curve at the bottom. This one has a rounded curve at the right here. You can see that. So yeah, this font does work. So, man. Anyways, so yeah. However, in the HTML tutorial, I'll try to introduce you to CSS that I was talking about, using the style attribute and stuff. This is done to simplify the examples. It also makes it easier for you to like edit the code and stuff and try it yourself. But yeah, I think that concludes my video for today. Please rate, subscribe, and comment all you want, guys. And if I made any mistakes, let me know. Always learn from my mistakes. So, thank you for watching. Have a good one.